Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Option Buyers Club. So guys, in the last video we discussed what option contracts are, and in today's video we will see why option sellers make money most of the time as compared to option buyers. So let's start it with this. So there can be only three things that can happen in the market. Either market can go up, the market can go down, or the market can go sideways. Now let's say you are an option buyer, okay, and you have a directional view of the market. So you need to be very sure that the market moves in that particular direction in order for you to make money. Let's take an example. Let's say the bank nifty is currently at 32,566. Okay, this is the level, the blue line that I have drawn. Now you are a call buyer. Let's say you have a bullish view of the market and you buy the call. Okay, so only and only when the market moves up, you will make money. If the market moves sideways, you will lose money. If the market moves down, you will lose money. So out of these three situations, the option buyer is getting benefited only 1 out of 3 times. So that means his probability of winning is only 33%. Okay, now let's talk about the option seller. Okay, let's say you are an option seller and let's take the same example. Bank nifty is currently at 32,500 something levels. Okay, now you have bullish view of the market. So what you will do is you will short the put. So let's say you short 32,400 put. Okay, so if the market moves up, you will make money. What if the market moves sideways? Again you will make money. Now we'll come to this point later, so hold on. If the market moves down, then you will lose money. So as an option seller, you are making money in 2 out of 3 situations. That means your probability of winning is 66%, which is 33% more than the probability of option buyer. Now, so does that mean that you should not buy options, you should only sell options all the time because the probability is not in your favor when you are an option buyer? No, it's not like that. I myself is an option buyer and I generate consistent income through option buying. In later videos we'll see like where an option buyer needs to be, where an option seller needs to be, how you should decode the market as an option buyer. So stay tuned for all those videos. Let's take that example. Why option seller makes money when the market is sideways? Guys, again this is a very long topic, but I'll discuss this in brief. So this is because of theta effect. So if you are into options and you know a little bit about options, then you must have heard the theta. So theta is nothing but the time to expiry. Okay, what is this time? So options are basically contracts and every contracts have expiries. So Nifty and Bank Nifty, the two index, even the Fin Nifty, they all have weekly expiry as well as monthly expiry. Okay, so in weekly expiry, it get expires, the option contracts get expired on every Thursdays. So this theta is the time to that expiry. So when the market moves sideways, the time is getting reduced, and when the time is getting reduced, the theta, okay, the premiums of the option are getting reduced, and when the premiums are getting reduced, option sellers are making money. So guys, that's in short what theta is. We'll discuss these things in detail in the later part of the videos. Okay, so stay tuned with the channel. And guys, one more announcement. So I'm working on an intraday strategy and I'll be dropping the video very soon. So if you like the content, please hit the thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.